Hey guys, this is Cat5 here. I want to do a update video on my Lasko 3733. This is the newest model that they have out today. Purchased is brand new at Big Lots. Did not have a box with it, as I said in a video I did back when I got it. If you want to go watch that video, you can. It's up there. I already posted it a while ago. Anyway, so I really like the fan a lot. It's got a lot of use over the summer since I had it. Yeah, here's the back of it. The only thing is, as typical, these feet do fall off even when I first got it, so that's no surprise to me. Yes, and it is getting a little dusty because it got a lot of use in the window. So, but yeah, so here's high. I'm gonna start off with low, actually. Here's low. It's low. As you can see, they did change the Lasko logo. It used to be a lot thicker, like more bold. They used to have it bold, and now they have it. Now they thinned out the words on it, the letters, whatever you want to call it. Here's medium. And in fact, does have a startup sound on it. Sorry about the glare. And we'll crank it up to high now. And off. Here's, now we'll do a startup sound. It does have a startup sound on it. Here's low on startup sound. Medium. And high. Okay, so that's my Lasko 3733 from this year, 2020 Lasko 3733 box fan. Hope you enjoyed. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Bye-bye.